So for some time, crypto scammers have been using these view-only wallets to scam people. And in this video, I'll show you how they do it and how to avoid it. So this is an educational video. Do not use it for any ill purpose. So let me just show you. So the first thing you need to do is to look for a wallet that has a good amount of money inside it. So to do this, everything is available on chain. So you will go back just to the blockchain scanner right here. Let me just get you back a little bit. Yeah, so we have BSC scan, which is the Binance Smart Chain scan for BNB chain. We also have Etherscan for Ethereum if you want to track a wallet on Ethereum, and we also have others for other blockchain scanners and explorers. So I want to track a wallet on BSC, so I'll just click on BSC scan. So this is where you see everything that is happening on that blockchain. So my key focus is just on the top account. I want a top wallet so that it will be easy for someone to convince someone. So top accounts right here on the blockchain part, you'll see top accounts. And you can see there's a wallet number 1. It holds 29 million BNB. Then we have others right here, but I don't want this. I don't want these big accounts, so I'll just go to the last one. Yes, we have the last account is holding amount worth let's say, yeah, it's 33 BNB. So I'll just copy this wallet. Then I'll just go and look for it on my BNB. So I've just copied. Let me paste it on my Trust Wallet. Since most people use Trust Wallet for this trick, just open Trust Wallet. I'll show you. And the reason why most people use this Trust Wallet is because it shows you the balance in a very clear manner that you might think it's someone's account. So I'll unlock my wallet and show you how it goes. So you can see there's the send, there's the tab, fund, swap, sell, and there's also the home, trending, swap, and discover tabs at the bottom. So make sure you observe those tabs very well because they are not visible on view-only wallets. So how do they set up a view-only wallet? The first thing you need to do is to come on the top where you have your main wallet. Just click on the drop down and select the option for add wallet. Then instead of creating a new wallet, just add an existing wallet. Then our key focus is on view only wallets right here, although we have a little more options, but our key focus is view only. And because we copied a wallet from BSC scan, BSC is on Binance Smart Chain, so I'll select the BNB chain because that's where our wallet is. So address or domain name, so I'll paste the address that I copied on the BNB chain, block explorer. Then I'll confirm my addition. So view only wallet added. You are unable to control assets in a view only wallet, but can track them. You can't do anything with any money in this wallet. You're just viewing and watching this wallet. So continue. So let's see. Let me just view. Yes, you can see the amount has already displayed. So we say that on the BNB chain, block explorer, the wallet that I showed you that I was copying only had 33 BNB. So you can see right here we have BNB what 33 BNB right here. Then the wallet also has other tokens like Link. We have XRP, Dodge worth 6K, Injective, and other more tokens. So that's how you do it. You can see the token, the wallet worth is $68,000. So if someone approaches you with this, you'll see it looks legit. But remember the tabs that I told you. There is no tab for send right here. There is no tab for swap. There is no the other tab that I told you to observe in the beginning of this recording. So always observe, because on a view-only wallet, you cannot send any amount. And these scammers will tell you different lies, so that you can buy into their deceiving and fall track for their scam. So this is simply how they do it. So I have just shown you how to add a view-only wallet to your wallet. So that's how scammers use this trick to scam you. They will tell you that I have this wallet, but I want to sell it for you, or I want to give it to you, but you have to send some money so that you can withdraw the amount of money in this wallet. So they'll tell you that send me this amount to activate the amount. That's the scam, the trick that most scammers use. Then they'll send you a prompt. Once you enter that prompt, the prompt will drain money from your wallet, from your mobile money account, send to theirs. Then they'll block you, of course. So this is a scam. Never fall for this simple trick. View only wallet is someone else's money. It's just because that the blockchain enables us to see any transaction on chain, any wallet on chain. So don't fall trap for this. It's a scam. It's not legit money for the scammers. It's someone else's money, but they are only tracking it. So for view only wallets, you can use a view only wallet. If you see that this is a wild wallet, you can use it to track on-chain transactions and see what this person is buying. So you can just like look like what is he buying, how much is he buying, what tokens is this guy focusing on. Then you can use his analysis and go buy the tokens that he's buying also, because if you see someone is making money on chain, you also want to make more money than like them. So you can copy trade them, you can view their wallet and do that. So view only wallets are not for withdrawing, they are just for viewing and tracking on chain analytics. Don't get scammed, and this video is entirely for educational purposes, so don't use it for any ill purposes. I repeat, share with your friends, tell them not to get scammed, share with your parents because they are the most prone for this type of scam. Adios.